What's up guys, this is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and today I'm actually going to take you through a task that was submitted in our system. Now if you're not familiar with who we are, Repair My Funnel is a done-for-you tech support service where you could submit any task, kind of offload them onto us, and we'll fix it for you. On the flip side of that, we also offer Loom support for questions that are maybe just marketing related or something that can get a very quick answer. So we're gonna pull up the task here in just a second. We're gonna go through it and I'm gonna answer it to you as if I was answering the customer, and then just show you exactly what I would do to kind of mark it off as complete and send off the reply to them. So let's actually hop over to the system that we're using here real quick. Now, inside the system here, you'll see this task right here. Their question mainly is, what is a bridge funnel? It says, hey guys, the other day I heard someone talking about bridge funnels, and they were saying that if you are in affiliate marketing, this is a must. What is a bridge funnel and why do I need one? Thank you. Now, this is an awesome question. I love this question. Really, the thing is, affiliate marketing. There are two types of affiliate marketers. There are the affiliate marketers that are just really jazzed about the potential of making money with an affiliate link. So maybe they get a ClickFunnels affiliate link, a Go High Level affiliate link, whatever the case, and they're just trying to give it out to their friends and family. They're like, hey, there's this awesome tool. You need to sign up for it, right? That's scenario one. Now, the 1% of affiliate marketers, what they do is this. Instead of just giving out a affiliate link, they actually create an offer around you signing up under their affiliate link versus someone else. This is where bridge funnels come into place. A bridge funnel is a one-step funnel. It's designed to just gather somebody's information, and then when the page submits, it goes on to the actual affiliate link. But remember, I mentioned you're actually creating an offer. So let's say you're a fitness coach and you have some courses that you've already created. Maybe you've created a course to help other fitness coaches build a business around their knowledge. So nutrition, workout plans and stuff like that, right? Let's say you charge $1,000 for this program typically. Now, wouldn't it be an irresistible offer if you took this course, maybe you had checklists and other things, and you said, hey, I know ClickFunnels is a very awesome tool that you are probably going to need to use in your business. Now, there are tons of other people out there where you can grab their affiliate link and get the same trial, but what you cannot get is this irresistible offer of this course that I usually charge $1,000 for, this checklist that I usually charge $100 for, and everything in between. You're building this irresistible offer so that they sign up under your link instead of someone else's. Now, I think on the flip side, as an affiliate, you have more of a responsibility to create the best offer that you possibly can to get everybody's eyes off of someone else's affiliate link and onto yours. What I want to do is I want to actually hop over to ClickFunnels, and I want to show you how this would actually work out. Inside of ClickFunnels, as I mentioned before, this is just a one-step funnel. This one-step funnel here is very basic. This is actually a template that I just selected in here. So of course, if this was the real deal, you'd probably have things a little bit more put together here. But let's just pretend this is the bridge funnel that you are trying to put out to your audience. There are a couple of things you want to make sure of. So in this case, there's a pop-up, and you want to make sure you have an email input field, which that's what this is. It's an input field set to the input type of email address. You want to also make sure that you have a button set to submit order / submit form. Now, your reflex might be, I'm gonna set the button to the go-to option and just put the affiliate link in there. Now let me tell you why you don't wanna do this. The reason why you don't wanna do this is because if I put the affiliate link in there, when they put their email in and press the button, it'll go to that affiliate link, but it won't actually gather the contact data. So what you do on the flip side is you set this to submit order / submit form. This is going to submit the data here, and then we check this little box right here that says enable redirect override. Now for this example, just so I can show you it in action, I'm gonna put Google in here. We're gonna go ahead and put https://www.google.com. Now I'm putting all of this stuff up here just to force it all to be secure when it submits. I recommend doing the same as well. We're gonna go ahead and save this. And once again, just make sure in your case, you're actually putting your affiliate link in there. But we can go ahead and preview this. Now, after we preview this, I'm gonna go ahead and click go to live page. And just for good measure, I like to do testing in an incognito window. It is a private window that doesn't hold on to cache and cookies as much. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab that link. Command-Shift-N on a Mac will get you to an incognito window. We'll paste that link in there and we will go to this incognito window real quick. We'll click this button and then I'm gonna go ahead and opt in. So let's see here, plus test. Let's just say the date, we'll say 7/12 @gmail.com. And really the big thing we wanna see here is that it actually goes to Google when the page submits. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click sign up. It's going to submit, it's going over here to Google. That's awesome. And then let's just see if that contact was actually gathered because that's the other main attraction here. So we'll go back here. We'll hop over to the account and then we're gonna go out of the funnel here. We're gonna go out of this step and then really what we'll go ahead and do is, honestly, we can do at the top here, if we just search, we could do a global search. We could say Devon CF testing plus test. And we could say, what was it? 7/12. And there it is right there. All right, so the contact is there. Everything is good. We see that we opted in on the bridge example, hero squeeze. We see the page view. We see that it visited it, everything like that. Everything is good. So everything is there. We've successfully kind of showed here that we've got to google.com. We got the contact in place and everything. And so I would say it's definitely there. If this were the end of the task, what we'd now go in and do is we'd come back into this task here. I would kind of just write in a comment here. So let's just say we're like, hey, that is a great, right? Whatever it actually was. And then we could send it off to them and they would be able to see that. And then really for the status, you can come here and we can mark it as complete. Bada bing, bada boom, that task is through. If you find this video useful, I highly encourage you to not forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to get all the future updates of all the new videos from us. And if this service sounds like something very useful for you, for a limited time, we are actually offering the done-for-you tech support service for only $1 upfront for 30 days. So if that sounds like something you want to do, you can go to repairmyfunnel.com to get started today. But I will see you guys on the next one.